Hey everyone, have you ever walked into school and seen papers scattered on the floor, dirty benches, or messy washrooms? It doesn't feel great, does it? But here's the thing. Keeping our school clean isn't just for the janitors or teachers. It's a job for all of us, especially the students. When we take care of our school, we're showing respect for the place where we learn and grow every single day. A clean school actually helps us have a healthy mind. Think about it. When our classrooms and hallways are tidy, we breathe fresher air, we can focus better on our lessons, and we just feel more positive overall. It makes you feel proud of where you study, right? A clean environment truly helps create a clean and clear mind, making learning so much better. So, what can we actually do to make a real difference? It's easier than you think. Here are some super simple habits that every single one of us can start today. First, and most importantly, don't litter. Always find a dustbin for your wrappers, old papers, or empty bottles. Second, take ownership of your space. Before you leave your desk at the end of the day, make sure it's clean and ready for the next day. Third, in the cafeteria, try not to waste food and always keep your eating area tidy for the next person. Fourth, be a team player. If you see a friend drop something, don't just watch, help them pick it up. Fifth, why not start a cleanup crew? Just 5 minutes once a week, cleaning your classroom together can make a huge impact. And finally, number 6, always respect the cleaning staff. They work incredibly hard, and a simple thank you can brighten their day. Remember, it's the small actions we do consistently that add up to create a big, positive change. And you know what's really powerful? The power of example. When you make an effort to keep your school clean, people notice. Your friends, younger students, even your teachers will see what you're doing. Clean habits are contagious. One person's effort can inspire the entire school community to get involved. So, be the leader who sets a positive example. Don't do it because someone told you to, but because you genuinely want to make your school a better, cleaner, and happier place for everyone. Let's make a difference together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making our world a better place. See you next time.